STC Group is a worldwide leading educational and research institution to the shipping, logistics, transport and process industries. In the public domain, STC Group offers preparatory vocational education, VMBO, senior secondary vocational education, MBO, and higher professional education, HBO, under the Dutch education system. In the private domain, it offers accredited master's level courses, full-time and part-time, business courses training, and consultancy services. In the private domain, STC Group provides the worldwide education training, consultancy and research for the maritime and offshore, port and terminals and transport and logistics industries in Europe, Africa, Asia, and Latin America. STC International operates through its participation and partnerships in countries such as South Africa, Vietnam, the Philippines, Oman, Colombia, and Kazakhstan. In nearly 30 years of operation in Vietnam, STC Group has cooperated with many educational, consulting and researching institutions for providing technical assistance, developing high-quality human resources in the maritime field, transportation and logistics. At the same time, STC Group has developed the Transport Chain Simulator, which has become one of the most advanced systems in the world, fully simulating the functions of transport and logistics chain in the world. All the different functions in the complex transport chain are illustrated in this simulation system. STC Group has now obtained the know-how, expertise and competencies in specialized fields, providing advice on the development of master plan for port and transport supply chain process, providing training courses on port management, developing visual databases for port, wharves, and bridge simulations, creating and developing various simulation options for ports, ships, and scenarios simulating ship navigation based on multiple contexts to determine the relevant technical factors and maritime traffic safety, developing the application and scenarios that simulate the TCS system and animate each role in TCS scenarios. In addition to the aforementioned services, STC Group also has close cooperation with the two organizations in Vietnam. They are the University of Transportation in Ho Chi Minh City and the TANCANG-STC, Saigon Newport. The first is STC, Maritime Human Resources Training and Company Limited. This is a joint venture between the University of Transport, Ho Chi Minh City, and STC Group Holding BV. It was established in Ho Chi Minh City in 2005. The training center contains a cargo loading simulator, an engineer room simulator, and a bridge simulator. Focusing on merchant marine, STC is active towards the whole maritime sector, inland shipping, sea and inland tanker, dredging, offshore, fishing, and passengers and cruise vessels. With a modern simulator system and a team of dynamic professional staffs, STC is a fully licensed and certified crew manning office, supplying hundreds of Vietnamese qualified seafarers to the international merchant fleet since 2006. The other important corporation is TANCANG-STC. TANCANG-STC Human Resource Development Company, TCSTC, is the training center for the port, shipping, transport and logistics sectors located in Ho Chi Minh City. This is a joint venture between STC Group of the Netherlands and Saigon Newport, SNP, the largest container operator of Vietnam. TCSTC provides education, training, and consulting solutions, maritime, port, logistics, port connection, transport, terminal, and other maritime services. With the motto of education, training, consulting, managing world-class human resources in the entire supply chain in Vietnam is to transfer the world's leading knowledge and experience from STC Group. STC Group missions. STC Group will always be the pioneer in contributing and transferring knowledge, skills, and technology into the development of transportation, logistics, and maritime industry in Vietnam, constantly leading the development and promotion trends, supporting the available potentials and advantages to turn the maritime and logistics training field into a spearhead economic sector, increasing competitiveness in the overall picture of the world logistics and transport industry. STC Group's global strategy in the near future: lifelong learning, world citizens, future-proof education, focus on the labor market, expertise and innovation,